Are you ready to revolutionize your manufacturing process? In the fast-paced world of manufacturing, staying competitive means producing high-quality products efficiently. That's where key performance indicators, KPIs, come in. Before diving into specific KPIs, it's essential to comprehend what they are in the manufacturing context. KPIs are quantifiable indicators of a company's success in accomplishing its business objectives. In manufacturing, KPIs can include production efficiency, product quality, and resource utilization. One of the most crucial KPIs for manufacturing enterprises is overall equipment effectiveness, OEE. OEE evaluates the efficiency of a manufacturing operation by integrating availability, performance, and quality. Implementing KPIs in manufacturing has numerous significant advantages. They facilitate decision-making, enhance operational efficiency, and allow for proactive problem-solving. The 4 KPIs every manufacturing company must monitor are overall equipment effectiveness, rate of inventory turnover, delivery time performance, and first-pass yield. Microsoft Dynamics 365. Business Central ERP is indispensable for KPI monitoring. Its robust reporting and analytics capabilities allow organizations to monitor KPIs in real time. By leveraging the power of KPIs and utilizing Business Central ERP, manufacturing companies can measure their performance and promote continuous improvement, ensuring long-term success in a constantly evolving industry.